Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will be discussing the question pseudo-palindromic path in a binary tree. In this question we are given a binary tree where the node values are digits from 1 to 9. A path in the binary tree is said to be pseudo-palindromic if at least one permutation of the node value in the path is a palindrome. We need to return the number of pseudo-palindromic paths going from the root node to the leaf node. In the first example, we see that there are two pseudo-palindromic paths, that is, we can form a palindrome with the values 233 and 211. Similarly, in example 2, we are having only one pseudo-palindromic path, that is 211, so we return 1. The given constraints are that the number of nodes can be between 1 to 10 raised to power 5 and the node value digits are between 1 to 9. The given hint with the problem states that the first hint is that the node value of the path form a palindrome if at most one digit has an odd frequency. That is the basic condition of a palindrome. And second hint states that we use a DFS keeping the frequency of the digits. Once you are in the leaf node, check if most one digit has odd frequency. So that pretty much sums up what the algorithm should be and how we will approach this problem. As we need to reach the leaf node right from the root node, we need to apply DFS, and at the leaf node we need to have the count of occurrences of every number and return if it can form a palindrome or not. We'll see that while coding this. So we'll have a result variable, initialize is 0, and then a digits array. The digits array will be of the size 10 so that we can store all the occurrences of 1 to 9 into this array. And then we call a DFS on the root node, and lastly we need to return the result. In this DFS method, we'll first check if the root is null, then there is no point going forward, so we directly return. Then we need to add the occurrence of this root value into our array, so we do this. Now we need to check if the value is palindrome or not only at the leaf node. So if the root node is a leaf node, that is the root dot left is null and so is the right, then we need to check if this is a palindrome or not. We need not to pass any argument in this because we have already defined this digit array at class level. If it is a palindrome, then we simply just increment the count. If it is not a leaf node, then we need to loop on the left half and right half. At the end, we need to remove the occurrence of this digits from the array in order to backtrack. So it will be, we'll define this method is palindrome, so it will be a boolean return type. As given in the hint, a valid palindrome only had at most one digit with an odd parity, otherwise all the digits should be an even parity. So we'll define a variable odd. So for every value from 1 to 9, so if the value at this is odd, then we increment the odd. If odd is greater than 1, then it is not a valid palindrome, we simply return false. Otherwise we return true. This completes our coding. Let's run this code. So it gives right result. Let's submit this. So it got submitted successfully. The time complexity is O of n as we are iterating over every node, and the space complexity is O of h as stack of that size needs to be maintained for the recursion. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.